Hey everyone, Chris from HMR Motors. Today I have a 2007 Dodge Grand Caravan SE with just 56,000 miles. This one's equipped with VMI's Northstar Conversion, featuring a power-operated in-floor ramp that deploys at the touch of a button and stows neatly under the floor when not in use. It also has a kneel system to lower the van to reduce ramp angle, plus 4 Q-Straint retractable tie-downs to secure a wheelchair safely. In this video, we're going to do a full walk around, show you the interior and all the mobility features working, and then take it out on the road so you can see how it drives. So let's get started. All right, let's talk about how to operate the wheelchair ramp on this VMI Northstar. It's super simple and user-friendly. You can deploy the ramp right from the key fob. Just press and hold the open button for 2 seconds. The door will automatically open, the van will lower, and the ramp will smoothly come out of the floor and onto the ground. To stow the ramp, just press and hold the close button for 2 seconds. The ramp will retract, the van will raise, and the door will close all automatically. In addition to the key fob, the ramp can also be operated using the dash mounted button or the button located next to the ramp in the back. Let's do a walk around of the Grand Caravan so you can see their overall condition. I'll show you the paint, body panels, wheels, and point out anything worth noting as we go.
Tires are in really nice shape. Couple light scratches on this on these pieces right here. It's very common since the van's lowered. There's actually some very light parking lot things in this door. You can kind of see it, as well as, you know, a couple of touch-ups. Few really light scratches. I like to point everything out for you guys so you know exactly what you're getting. No surprises. Tiny little thing right here. Where is it? I don't know, there's a little thing right here. It's hard to see. Another little thing right here. Like I said, tires are really nice shape. Couple light scratches right there. Same thing on this side with these little rocker panel pieces. It's very lightly scratched. It's very common on these vans since they're modified and lowered. But like I said, I want to point everything out to you guys. And they're not cracked or anything, they're just very lightly scratched. Some light scratches on the bumper here. This is a 2007, so it's in really nice shape for a 2007, but it is 18 years old at this point, so it's gonna have a little character. Hood's in really nice shape. A little touch up right here. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Right there's a little touch up. Like I said, just some really light scratching.
Now let's check out the interior. I'll walk you through the features, condition, and show you the conversion in more detail.
So we have the 4 retractable Q-Straint tie downs on the floor here, as well as the seatbelt buckle extender, which is really nice. We do have removable driver and passenger front seats, so these both do come out if you choose. We also have rear zone climate control that is controlled. Oh, wait, hold on. There we go. So you can hear it going off here. So it is controlled by the rear. Interior is in really nice shape. You can tell this van's been taken care of. There actually is a little compartment right here too, where all your manuals are. This is to operate the ramp manually if you need to, just like a safety thing. These rear seats they do fold down as well by pulling this lever right here, as well as the same thing on this side. Just pull that string and they'll fold down. That's how you bring them back up. It's kind of hard for me to do on the camera, but if you go on the pictures, you can see them folded down. You can see that they work. We also have a spare tire underneath here, as well as the jack. The tool is on the side right there. You can kind of see it. So it does have the jack and tools. The driver's side sliding door is manual too, by the way. So just do have a power driver's seat. It goes up and down and forward and back and reclines. See that all working. All right. These lights, I kind of fixed it for a second, but it's from the camera, so they work normally. Don't worry. I do have it running, so I'll turn it off here. See that there's no warning lights on the dash. That beeping is from the conversion, so don't freak out. It goes away. It's normal. Just the seatbelt light on. Like I said, yeah, these lights are normal. They look bright and they don't flicker just from the camera. We do have automatic driver's side window. Let's see, all the windows work. Passenger side. Let's see, we have vent windows as well. You can see that one open and close, and the left side opens and closes. All right, we have power locks. See that working. We do have power mirrors as well. They go down and up and left and right. Put them back where they were so I don't crash when I drive home. And same thing on this side, they go up and down and right and left. So you see they all work there. We do have our lights here, our headlights. I have cruise control on the steering wheel, which is really nice. I have our radio. So that works. We have ice cold AC. All the fan speeds work. This button also controls the ramp in and out, and this turns off kneeling. So if you didn't want to kneel the van, you would use that button right there. We have a cup holder right here.
Now let's take it out for a spin. I'll show you how well the van performs and how it feels out on the road. wraps up the full tour and test drive. If you got any questions or want to make it yours, give me a call here at HMR Motors in Pompano Beach, Florida. We offer nationwide shipping and free airport pickup to make the process easy no matter where you are. Check us out online at hmrmotors.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more clean, low-mileage vehicles. Thanks for watching.